Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will show you how you can download ChatGPT app. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up Chrome browser on your device and there search for chat.openai.com, and there you will end up in the official homepage of ChatGPT. Now there you have to firstly get logged into the ChatGPT, so tap on login button and there you will be taken to the login page of ChatGPT. Now type in the email address associated with the ChatGPT and then tap on continue button. Now if you have used Google or Microsoft account to create your account, then you can tap one of these options and get logged into your account. And once you tap on continue button, it will ask you to enter your account password. Now enter the correct password and there tap on continue button. And then you will be landed to the dashboard of ChatGPT. Now from here you have to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and from the drop down menu tap on add to home screen option, and there tap on add button and go back to your home screen, and there you will find this ChatGPT app on your device. Now you can simply tap on it and get into your dashboards. That was the quick and easy video on how to download ChatGPT app on your device. Hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.